What's up, everybody? In today's video I'm just working on a blue car, just a regular old car. If that's something you're interested in seeing, then stick around. What's up? My name is Derek and I'm a mobile graphics and PPF installer. I make videos showing that process, what it looks like to do my job throughout the day. If that's something you're interested in seeing, go ahead and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And let's jump into this video. Doing all the tucking, trying to tuck it in real far so you can't see no lines. It's a bulk install, as you can tell. The difference being from bulk versus kit. Kit is pre-cut, it fits all the way to the edge, and I do that sometimes, but lately I've been doing more bulk, especially on these types of cars. And let me show you up close. So you can see it's just drying, but typically it doesn't tuck in there all the way. It might have a seam, like a cut right there, but I tucked it in. I'll show you everything once I'm done. Always happens to me. Well, not always, but sometimes. Those are bubbles. But I can get them out. Watch. was tiring. So there's not much you can see after I'm done, but I did have to redo it. I did it the first time, and then right about the halfway point, I just made a stupid error and kind of ruined the film. So I had to peel it all off and redo it, but it came out better, or perfect, you know. Tucked all the edges, looks really nice, and now I'm done. So just gonna go home. If you have any questions or comments on that, go ahead, leave a comment, you know, down below. I'm so worn. It's been a long week. So, all right, I'm getting out of here.